If you're seeing Steam error 54, don't worry. This usually points to a content file locking issue or a problem loading the game properly, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest and safest methods to get Steam working again, step by step. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, the simplest fix is to fully restart Steam and your PC. Sometimes Steam gets stuck in the background or one of the game files is locked by another process. To do this properly, close Steam completely. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Find Steam in the list of running apps and end the task. After that, restart your computer. Once your PC turns back on, open Steam again and try launching the game. In a lot of cases, this alone can clear the error. If the error is still there, the next step is to run Steam as an administrator. This gives Steam the permissions it needs to modify files and access the game folder correctly. To do that, right-click the Steam shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu, then choose Run as Administrator. If that fixes the problem, you may want to keep using Steam this way for a while, especially if your system permissions are causing the error. Now let's move on to one of the most important fixes, verifying the integrity of your game files. This is the best option if a file is missing, corrupted, or locked in a way that prevents the game from loading. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click the game that's giving you the error, and select Properties. Then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan everything and replace any broken or missing files automatically. Depending on the game, this may take a few minutes, so let it finish completely before testing the game again. If you still get Steam error 54 after that, the next thing to try is clearing the download cache. This can help when Steam has stored bad temporary data that interferes with game loading or file updates. In Steam, click Steam at the top left, then go to Settings. From there, open the Download section and choose Clear Download Cache. Steam may ask you to log in again afterward, so make sure you know your account details before continuing. Once the cache is cleared, sign back in and test the game again. Another possible cause is your antivirus or firewall blocking Steam from modifying the game files. Security software can sometimes mistake normal Steam activity for suspicious behavior, which can trigger file locking issues. Check your antivirus settings and make sure Steam is allowed through. If you're using Windows Defender Firewall, search for Firewall settings, then allow Steam and the game through both private and public network settings if needed. If you have third-party antivirus software, look for an exclusion or exception list and add Steam there. If the game still refuses to launch, try closing any programs that might be using the same files in the background. This includes overlay tools, recording software, mod managers, and even some browser tabs or launchers. A clean restart often helps because it stops hidden processes that may be locking the files Steam needs. At this point, you've gone through the main fixes for Steam error 54, restarting Steam and your PC, running Steam as administrator, verifying your game files, clearing the download cache, and checking your security software. One of these steps usually solves the problem and gets your game launching normally again. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful gaming and software tutorials. And if you want, leave a comment letting me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.